Hey, what's up guys? Theo here. In this video, I want to share with you guys my AdSense earnings for January 1st, or the month of January 2018, as well as my Udemy affiliate marketing. So first, let's go to the marketing. This is off of, I'm not going to show my ID here up at the top, but this is with Udemy affiliate marketing. So this is the first month I've ever done it. So some of these stats might be kind of interesting, and this is basically just when I leave links at the bottom of my videos and tell people to basically just go ahead and click there and check out the course. And if they buy it, then I get a percentage of that. Usually it's about 20%. Anyways, so let's sort of look at this. We got 428 clicks, and orders to click ratio is 5.37%. So it's not bad, and earnings per click is about $12.66, which is pretty high. So I had 23 sales, a total of $270.90, and I made 54 of that. And if we do the math on that, we can say 270.90 divided by 54.18, or sorry, 54.18 divided by, I'm tired. That's about 20% right there. Okay, so that's what I got off of that. So my total commission, right? And let me see if I can find it real quick. Link type, individual item report. Let's see if I can check this out for last month. New report, and let's see if I can show you the courses that earn the most money. Okay, so here they are. Here's when all the sales happened. So we have Modern React with Redux. That's a lot of those. But the cool thing is I actually earn off of just people buying courses as long as they use my link. So obviously I'm just promoting mainly this Modern React with Redux and Advanced React with Redux, but you can sort of see there's other people that actually bought other courses on here. So let's see, I think this is all of the courses. Yeah, it's $10.99. So, even object-oriented PHP, Node with React. Here's one in Portuguese. Fundamentos dos absoluto zero. Complete JavaScript course, JavaScript basics, data structures, automate the boring stuff. So a lot of the top sellers, and React 16. I think this is the Jonas guy. Anyway, so you can sort of see when these are happening, and it's pretty linear right here, to be honest. So it's really cool. I had 23 sales there, and again, I'm getting about $2-3 per sale. There's some that are less, but a lot of times that's the tough part with Udemy is that everything's always on sale. So you're not going to earn a whole lot. So that's what I earned for the month of January, 54.18. Again, first time doing this. So let's look at my YouTube analytics right here. This is January 1st to the 31st. Had 65,477 minutes watched. So that's 45 days and 11 hours. Average view duration went down about 3%. Doesn't bug me that much. Views went up 18.3%, 25,000 views. Estimated revenue is down 3%. I think last month of December was $75. I think that's a little higher just because of the holidays and more people may be watching some of the videos, learning some stuff, or just getting ready to start their New Year's resolution. So I'm at $72 this month. Likes 181, dislikes actually went up. I know it's green, but that's sort of a false positive right there. Subscribers 100%, so that's up about a little bit over 10%. So I think I had maybe about 90 last month. And we can sort of look at the most popular ones here. So let me change this, and I can show you guys. So React, CRUD application. A lot of the React stuff, as I sort of figured, is what's trending. Top geography, United States, India, and mostly males, mostly men watching it. And then Angular 2, this is a big earner, always has been, because it's about a little bit over an hour video. Some of these are too. This one is, yeah, this is an hour and 14. Let's see, this one's 22 minutes, 18 minutes, 6, yeah. So I have quite a few, 22 minutes, quite a few there. So that's my earnings right there, 72, and I can show you guys right now if you want to see this just for February. 3 days in, I'm up to $11.14. So just to sort of get an estimate basically of YouTube earnings. I can show you guys. I have 2,006 subscribers now. I'll make a video. This is with 312,000 channel views and 382 videos. You can sort of look at some of my stats. Again, I have a very niche channel with what I make. I'm obviously not a blog channel or anything, but again, earning roughly now about $75 a month just off my YouTube videos. And I think for this last month, I maybe published 6 videos or something. So that total, let me pull up my calculator again. 54.18 plus what was it? It was like $73, whatever, $127 online. That's good. That's the first time I pulled in over $100 online. So again, the affiliate marketing was really cool, and so far this month I've made $12 on it. Let me see if I can pull that up here. This month, I don't know if it'll show me. I don't know if it'll have any data for this month yet. Let's see. So I've earned $12.80. I have 6 sales. And again, pretty much anything React, it seems like I'm trending on there, which is really cool. And let's see, today's the 4th, so I had 4 sales on the 1st and 2 right now on the 4th. So that's really cool. If you guys want to support any of my videos, just click the links in the description. And if you want to learn something that's cool, get a little commission off it. Don't feel obligated. Honestly, you can just go to udemy.com. I don't care, but if you do want to support me, go ahead. I only recommend really 2 courses on there, Modern React and Advanced React with Redux. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, just being transparent with you about what I make on YouTube. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.